life's too short. You shouldn't wait for the weather to run. Tama na. Think about it, 'cause we only have one chance. That's the name.
Sayo, Tita
All
Ned!
I'm asking, could it possibly be you and me? So if you still go understand, even nothing just
Tayo, Tita Ned!
and if you say I hope you're okay, 'cause I'm truly madly crazy in love with you.
Kaway ka, Tita Ned! Happy kaway!
Ay, yung kalma.
Video nga ito.
Magawa tayo nung yung kay na kay na Francis.
Yan, bilong na. Dali. Ako, dali.
Hindi na, wala akong boss.
Kayo na nga ang sweet. Layo. Nauuna ka, ate. Nauuna ka.
I've never felt this way. Completely, you complete me. Like birds and melodies. Don't you know that we both belong, baby? Don't you know that we will last forever? Don't you know that we both belong? I knew it from the start. We belong.
Ate, huwag kang mabingot. Bingot. Lasing na yan, lasing na.
That someday, for the hello, simple hello, and maybe tomorrow, I'm the reason you smile, and you make my day complete, make you complete me. I never felt this way.
Sino nagka-complete sa'yo?
Like words and melody. Don't you know that we both belong?
Lado.
Don't you know that we were meant forever? Don't you know that we both belong? I knew it from the start. We belong together. You're my shelter in the pouring rain. I just hope that you will see, you and me belong. Don't you know that we both belong, baby?
Huwag kang magwala.